Hi Judy, this seminar meant a lot for us, especially the married couples. It really enriches our marriages. It showed us a lot of things that we need to improve on. It helped also those that have husbands and wives that are not saved, that attended this seminar. I believe this has really impacted their lives. We have learned a lot about women, how we can know them better. We learned a lot about ourselves, how we can improve. And we find this very, very encouraging. It really impacted us to start all over again. God bless you.
And me? Okay. To me, Judy, this was one of the marriage seminars that we had in a long time. And I know that, talking from a woman point of view, there is a lot of women, as I was teaching out now, the food, I heard what they said about tonight and how they can enrich their marriages, and even those that are still going to be married. It's an eye-opening for them, and they will know now how to act and how to treat their the spouse, husband to be and wife to be. And I know that this is not the end, this is a start of new beginnings for each and every one of us. God bless you, Judy.